If you're looking to create a multi-step form for higher conversions, this video is going to show you how to do it fast, without the fluff. I've tested all the most popular tools, and I'll walk you through exactly how to build one that actually gets results. Stick around, because at the end I'll show you the key takeaway most people miss that can make or break your form's performance. And there's also an exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along using the software we'll be working with. Alright, let's get right into it. A multi-step form works better than a long single-page form because it reduces friction. When people see one small step at a time, they're more likely to finish it. The psychology is simple. Micro-commitments build momentum. Step 1. Map out the key info you actually need. Don't overload your form. Start with the easy stuff. First name, email, something they're used to giving. That's your step 1. Keep it short. Step 2. Once they've taken the first step, ask for slightly more valuable data, like phone number or budget. This works because they've already started and are less likely to abandon. That's the beauty of the multi-step flow. It keeps people moving forward. Now, the software we'll be using makes this super simple. Just drag and drop the fields, choose multi-step layout, and break the form into 2 out of 4 small pages. Make sure to label each step clearly with progress indicators like step 1 of 3, so users know what's ahead. Add conditional logic if your software allows it. For example, if someone selects, "I want a quote," you can show specific questions based on that. This personalization boosts your conversion rate even more. Next, customize the design to match your brand. Colors, fonts, and spacing should feel like a natural part of your site. Nothing kills conversions like a form that looks out of place or sketchy. Before publishing, test your form on mobile. Most people will be filling it out from their phones. Make sure buttons are large enough, spacing isn't cramped, and it flows naturally with swipes or taps. Finally, connect your form to an email service or CRM so you can follow up instantly. A delay in follow-up, badger, lost conversions. This software makes that connection with just a few clicks. So here's the key takeaway. The biggest mistake people make is trying to collect everything in one go. The secret to higher conversions is asking only what you need and spreading it out in a simple, guided experience. A multi-step form makes this easy, and using the right software makes it almost automatic. Quick recap. Start with easy questions, break it into steps, show progress indicators, add conditional logic where needed, and test for mobile. Then hook it into your email or CRM. If you want to follow along using the exact software I used, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, links in the description. Totally free to try it and see how your conversions improve. That's it, short, sharp, and you're good to go.